In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a combined audience segment using tag-based filters. To get started, make sure you're inside your main browser tab console and navigate to the audience section. From there, open segments. This is the area where you can build custom recipient groups based on specific rules, which is especially useful when you want to organize contacts more strategically or send content to a more refined list. Once you're inside the segments page, look to the top right corner and click the blue Create Segment button. This will open the segment builder where you'll define the logic for the audience you want to create. The next thing you'll want to do is locate the targeting match execution rule parameter dropdown. This setting controls how your criteria work together. Change it so it says either any or all, depending on how broad or narrow you want your segment to be. If you choose any, a contact can match just one of your conditions and still be included. If you choose all, the contact must meet every condition you set. This is an important choice because it directly affects which recipients are pulled into the segment. After that, begin adding your criteria by creating multiple condition rows. For each row, set the filter to tags, then choose contact as tagged, and then select the tags you want to use, such as tag A and tag B. This step allows you to combine multiple tag-based conditions into one segment structure, making it easier to track or target contacts who meet the labeling system you've already established. As you add these criteria, take a moment to confirm that each line reflects the exact tag logic you want. A small setup difference here can change the final audience, so it's worth reviewing carefully before moving on. When everything looks correct, click Review Segment. This gives you a chance to verify the configuration before saving. Check that the matching rule and tag conditions reflect the audience layout you intended to build. Finally, click Save Segment to name it and establish your new combined recipient list tracking layout structure. Choose a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create several segments over time. And that's it. You've now created a combined segment based on multiple tag conditions, giving you a cleaner and more organized way to manage your audience.